Oh, how good's this? We have the tongs ready, we got the barbecue fired up, and you're about to get skewered because our very special guest is going to show you how to make delicious beef skewers that are fun and delicious for the whole family.
Yeah, I don't think skewering the audience is a good idea.
No, we're not going to skewer anybody
No.
except for the food.
We've got Sunrise favourite and My Kitchen Rules regular and favourite, Manu. Hello.
Am I the favourite?
Yeah.
Well, not to the contestants.
Not cut in fast.
Sometimes.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Forget him, you're here.
Yeah, your partner in crime.
Yeah, exactly.
Fabulous.
So tell us how we assemble the skewers.
It's really easy. You choose your favourite meat. I've got round, but you can use sirloin or whatever kind of beef you want. You can do it pork or chicken if you want. Okay. Your favourite vegetables, you skewer it in like this, beautiful. And then what I do though is I do a little mixture of mustard, vinegar, olive oil, a bit of herbs if you want to, just to dab it on.
This is the marinade.
It's the marinade. It just makes it taste a little bit better. You know, you're just plain beef.
It's kind of like food Tetris, isn't it? Making sure that you get the balance all right, it all comes together. It does look amazing, it's colourful too. What about cooking it? Is it hard?
Well, it's on a barbecue actually. We barbecue ring today.
Yes.
And so the barbecue, a lot of people like to fiddle with the steak on the barbecue. Just leave it there, and it doesn't have to be full blast. Medium heat's good. Okay. And let it do its job. That's it. So it's very easy.
It's like with skewers, some people want medium, they want rare, they want well done, whatever. Skewering it, don't worry about it.
When they come to my house, they get what they get.
I love that. Yeah, see, that's old-fashioned and I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, so then how do you serve them?
Just like so, on a platter. And I've got the sauce by Manu. I decided to do the French steak, which is a red wine base, and you just pour it in. So instead, look at that. So instead of your ketchup and your barbecue sauce, please put that away.
Oh, yeah.
Just get the sauce by Manu, pour it in. Look at that, that's delicious.
So you're here for a very special cause, though,
yes,
not
indeed.
just to fire up the barbie. Tell us about that.
Yes, so barbecue. Barbecue is basically get your friends and families to get together on a barbecue. Yeah. Dig deep, take your money out of your pockets, put them in a box there.
Is that you telling me to?
Yes, please do.
Look at that, I've got a $5.
How did you...
Basically,
I haven't got a pocket.
What about that? Credit card.
As we all know...
You can donate online, I'm sure, as well.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
As we all know, there's a huge issue with cancer all around the world. But without research, there's no way of fixing it. So childhood research, childhood cancer research is important. We want to try to at least get $200,000 this year, which would be research for the next 2 years. Yeah. But if we can get more than that, of course, but you know, I mean, it's simple. The message is simple. Just dig deep. Give us some money so we can do some research, so we can fix the cancer and move on with life.
And let's hope it's not like eating at your place where you get what you get and you don't get upset.
That's right.
No, you get what you get and keep on giving. That's the way to do it.
But also, healthy foods. Yes. This is healthy. This is just meat and vegetable on a barbecue.
Exactly.
And that's what you need. Simple as that.
It's very easy, but if you want to know all the details for barbecue on the Sunrise website, we're going to take a break, then we're going to taste test this. This looks delicious.